Lance, high praise for Chislett. He had a great game for his first.
Yeah,
Your
a great
thoughts on
game
him?
indeed. Over 80% successful passes in that encounter. For me, the biggest issue where Chiefs is concerned, and I worry about this and the lineup tomorrow, is players are not given a consistent chance to be able to perform and build on what they've done. So yes, we're happy on Chislett and how he played. Do you field him tomorrow? Are you putting him under pressure as a coach to have him perform as he did in his first game? Or do you do what the coaches have been doing across the board? Sundowns has been changing lineups like crazy. Pirates changes lineup. We never know what the starting lineup is, and how does that affect the players? When do we give a Chislett a time and an opportunity?
Do you think we'll be throwing him in the deep end?
Build in that? No, he builds from the momentum of having a first good debut. I would put him in.
There's one particular ball that he just, like the quality of the pass through the lines into the space, that shows, even just seeing the pass, executing the pass, shows the quality that's there. I think obviously the legs faded toward the end, and that comes down to match practice at that, level of the game. But definitely a lot of quality that he showed, his intelligence on the ball. The simple, I love players who play simple, like don't take unnecessary touches on the ball. So he did really well.
Piece of sport, Chislett, he came on and a lot of Kaizer Chiefs fans were very impressed with him. What do you think of him in relation to tomorrow?
Yeah, firstly with his debut, he was really impressive. I mean, there was a number of things. Mark spoke about the passing and the vision that he had in that game. I also like the fact that a lot of times he was the one initiating the press for the team, and that's really important. I don't necessarily think that he's going to be all of a sudden the solution and Kaizer Chiefs are going to start scoring goals. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs' problem has been the link so much, but rather taking the opportunities. I mean, there was that opportunity for Dupree where he lobs the ball over the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper has the touch on it, then he gets it and then he puts it out. The confidence isn't there in that strike force a lot of times. I mean, if you look at it in comparison with an Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs has played 28 games this season. They've scored 36 goals. Orlando Pirates has played 31 games, which is 3 games more, but they've scored 64 goals.